All right, y'all, it is time for another new collection from Buffbunny. I am so excited to share this launch with you. There are so many cute colors that I got, so many cute colors releasing. I want to tell y'all a little bit about this collection. This collection is called Lift Like a Lady, which I love. I think that's such a cute name. Lift Like a Lady is a powerhouse collection with a feminine touch for those that know what it means to be strong and beautiful on your own terms. Also, with this launch, we are introducing a totally new style with our That Girl jacket. You can walk, talk, sit, lounge, or lift. So I really love the vision of Buffbunny and best inclusive activewear brand for every journey. And I love that they have so many different sizes that they offer. They also offer like short and tall options. I'm a tall girly. I'm 5'8", so I love the fact that we have tall options. But yeah, I really resonate with the vision and the message as well. Let's get into showing you what I got. We have the colorway. We have Bloom, Empire Rose, Court, Garden Party, Harris Ivory, Ivory Dahlia, Truffle, White, Love Story, and Charcoal, as well as Onyx Black. So the first item that I got is the Threads Zip Hoodie. I got this in the color Bloom, which I absolutely love. Let me show you. Look at this color. If you all know me, you know I love absolutely anything pink, so you know that I love this color. And it is so soft, and it's not super, super heavy, which I love because in Houston, it's gonna be hot forever. So I really like the fact that this is like a more lightweight jacket. And I got this in a size small. And I will also do a try on haul for y'all, but this color is so pretty. All right, and you know I love a matching set as well, so I got the Threads crossover sweatpants, also in Bloom. I got these in a small, tall, since I am 5'8", so I will do a little try on for y'all. So you can see that this has the little crisscross in the front, has pockets as well. And again, this material is super soft, and this is not like a super thick sweatpant. So I really like that because I will be able to wear these in Houston right now since it's still 90 degrees. So that is my first little set. All right, we have so much to go through. All right, next we have one of my favorite bras. This bra is so comfortable. I love this bra. I have this bra in so many colors. This is the Double Dip Butter Sports Bra, and this is the color High Court. So let's open it and look at it. I love this color for fall. It's just almost, it's like a plum color, but this is the bra. It has a little Buffbunny detail in the back. I got this in a small, and for reference, I'm a 34B or C, depending on where I'm at in prep. But love this bra, love this color. It's so stunning. So I got that color. Y'all, there's so much in this box. This is unreal. All right, I also got the Double Dip Butter Sports Bra in the Bloom because I wanted to be able to wear this as full set. I'm so excited. I'm gonna wear this all the time. I'm gonna live in this set. But so I got the Bloom as well as the High Court in the Double Dip Sports Bra. All right, let's do another sports bra. The next sports bra I got is the Alpha Sports Bra. Again, I got this in a size small, and I got this in the color Garden Party. So you have a little V-neck in the front and then a little strappy moment in the back. I like that this is a little bit longer as well in the front, just for a little bit more coverage. But again, this color, oh, I love this color, super cute. This has padding in it, removable padding, which is nice. So does the double dip sports bra, which I love, removable padding. And I got a matching headband for this. This is super cute. Little Buffbunny detailing right there. So that is gonna be super cute together as a little set. All right, another one of my favorites. I love this. This is the long sleeve curve top. I got this in the Paris ivory color. Honestly, I wanted to get this in every single color, but I had to control myself. But honestly, I'll probably buy it in more colors. So this top does not have padding in it, but it does have, it's obviously long sleeve, and there are thumb holes right here, which are nice. And then you have this little detailing at the bottom, this little curved, and I love this for fall. This is gonna be great to wear when it's a little colder outside. All right, and then to make that a little matching set, y'all know my favorite thing, what I wear almost every single day. They're just so comfy. That's why they're my favorite. I cannot stop buying these. I have a problem. These are the aggressive scrunch short in the 7-inch. You can see that they have the scrunch right here in the back. I got this color in the Paris ivory again. Am I even saying that right? Harris, right? Sounds weird. The aggressive scrunch short comes in double small or a triple X, and these are 48 US dollars. And they come in the bloom color, the Harris ivory, or the high court color. This set is gonna be so cute. All right, next we have the aggressive scrunch leggings. I wanted to get a pair of the shorts and a pair of the leggings because it's about to be cold for 2 days in Houston. And I got the high court color. This color is so pretty. So I'll have a little set with this with the double dip sports bra. Again, you can see the scrunching in the back. These are 70 US dollars, and I got it in a size small. I can't wait to try all this on for y'all. Also, there's so much stuff here, oh my goodness. All right, let's see what else I got. All right, so I ordered 3 pairs of the micro legacy short in the Frenches. I did order myself a black pair because I don't currently have a black pair of shorts, and I needed to add a black pair to my outfit, and these are always sold out, always. So if you want a pair of these, you better buy them soon. Again, so you have a little Buffbunny on the back and this little V. These are so soft. Again, you can tell these are shorter than the 7-inch, obviously, and I will do a little try on haul so you guys can see what these look like on someone that is a little taller, 5'8". They also come in 6-inch, but I went with the 4-inch for my leg days because I like a little short moment. These are so soft. Again, these are the micro legacy shorts. This is the bloom color. This is gonna be such a cute fit. I'm so excited. I'm gonna try on all of this for y'all so you can see it. And then the third and final color that I got in these shorts is the garden party color. Again, so pretty. So I have so many different sets now with all these different colors. And also got a little goodie bag with some protein donuts and some grips, which is awesome. I'm gonna use those. I can't eat the protein donuts right now because I'm in prep, but I will save those and eat those at another time. Yes, I will. Oh, prep? How is prep going, you ask? Prep is prepping. That's all I have to say about that. Prep is prepping. No, it's going well. I feel like obviously it's hard and I'm tired. I'm trying not to complain or say I'm hungry or tired all the time because this is my second time going through this and I think I know a little bit more about what to expect now. So I am just going, this is the softest thing I might have ever touched. Oh, I love, y'all, if I could, you have to feel this. This is so soft. I am gonna order more of these. This is the Halo long sleeve baby tee. I love something that I can just throw on and cover up if I need to, if I get cold. I'm cold a lot at the gym, so I'll usually wear like a hoodie or jacket or something like that. So I absolutely love this. This is the garden party color. Really got a lot of the garden party color, but this is 38 US dollars. I got a size medium in this, and it is super cute. It's so soft, my goodness. All right, and I got one more item. So excited to show you all this as well. This is just accessory time. This is the everyday duffel bag. I got this in the color Bloom, of course. So I have so many outfits with Bloom. I'm so excited. Oh my good, look at her. She's gorgeous, stunning. I am gonna look so cute in this set. Y'all, stop right now. I love that. This is a perfect size too. Look at how cute this is. All right, so you got little handles and you can Velcro it here, little zipper, little pockets on the side. Let's look inside as well. Seriously, just so cute. Also has a little strap if you want to use that as well inside, a little holder for your phone, and a little zipper pouch right here. All right, let's do a little try on haul now for y'all. Any questions about sizing or things that you want me to talk about in future videos, drop it in the comments and let me know. I'll be happy to talk about it next time I make a YouTube video for a new release. Top secret. Y'all, there's so much stuff here.